Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the AMZCHEF 12-inch induction cooktop. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen, replace an old electric coil stove, or add a powerful cooking solution to your RV, you have likely come across this unit. We are going to break down exactly how it performs, what makes it tick, and whether it deserves a spot on your countertop. Let us start with the design and versatility. What really stands out here is the dual installation capability. You can drop this into your countertop for a clean, built-in look, or you can simply set it on your table as a portable unit. It comes with a standard 110V 120V plug, which means you do not need to worry about complex electrical rewiring. It is truly plug and play for the average American home. Performance-wise, this unit packs 1,800 watts of power across its two burners. You have 9 power levels to choose from. This is a massive upgrade if you are used to traditional electric stoves that take forever to heat up. Because this is induction technology, the heat is generated directly within your cookware. It is fast, efficient, and keeps your kitchen much cooler during those hot summer months. The interface is managed via a sleek, touch-sensitive glass panel. It feels modern and it is very easy to wipe clean after a spill. You also get a 99-minute timer, which is a lifesaver if you are the type of cook who often forgets a pot on the stove. There is also a built-in safety lock feature, which is essential if you have small children or pets in the house. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. The biggest advantage is definitely the form factor. At 12 inches, it fits into tight spaces perfectly. It is incredibly responsive, and the ability to switch between boiling, frying, and steaming with precision is a game changer. On the flip side, you have to remember that this is an induction cooktop. That means you absolutely must have compatible magnetic cookware. If your favorite aluminum pans are not magnetic, they simply will not work here. It is also important to note that while 1,800 watts is great for this size, using both burners at their maximum settings simultaneously will share that power capacity. In conclusion, the AMZCHEF 2-burner induction cooktop is a fantastic value for anyone needing a flexible, high-performance cooking surface. It is stylish, safe, and efficient enough for daily use in a studio apartment, a dorm, an RV, or even as an extra station for holiday cooking. It hits that sweet spot between portability and permanent functionality. If you want to check the current pricing or see more technical specifications, you can find everything you need at the link below. Link in the description.